Welcome to Auto Cove. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Subaru Forester, which comes with two major updates, a brand new hybrid model and an off-road focused wilderness trim. Is this the most exciting Forester lineup yet? Let's break it all down. 2026 Subaru Forester Hybrid, finally in the US. For years, Subaru has offered a Forester Hybrid in other markets, but now, US buyers finally get their chance. Starting price, $34,990. Power output, 94 HP. Fuel economy, 35. MPG combined, 40% better city efficiency than the standard model. AWD standard. Is it worth it? The Forester Hybrid improves gas mileage significantly compared to the standard Forester, 29 MPG combined. However, with only a slight increase in horsepower, performance gains might not be noticeable. The added battery weight could make it feel a bit sluggish, but Subaru isn't aiming for speed here. It's all about fuel efficiency, AWD capability, and practicality. Tech and features: digital gauge cluster, standard 18-inch wheels, navigation included, the top-tier touring trim, 43,100. Subaru's Wilderness models have been a hit, and the Forester Wilderness continues the trend. Ground clearance, 9.3 inches, up from 9.2 inches. Tires, 17-inch wheels with all-terrain tires. Towing capacity. Transmission, CVT, no manual option. While the horsepower remains the same, Subaru adds a rear differential temperature sensor to help prevent overheating on tough trails. A small but useful addition for off-roaders. Release date, Fall 2025. The Hybrid, great for daily driving and fuel savings. If you want an efficient AWD SUV without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. The Wilderness, a capable off-roader with improved towing capacity. If you need a rugged adventure vehicle, this is for you. Which one excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more in-depth car reviews right here on Auto Cove.